The next example we have to cover here nesting of member functions. As seen earlier, the member functions of a class can be called only by an object of that class using the dot operator. But a member function can be called by using its name inside another function of the same class. This is known as nesting of member functions. Just have a look through an example. We'll create one class named set, declare two variables. See here, we are not using a private keyword. By default, automatically it takes as a private area. We are declaring the functions inside public, void input, display, and a largest function. Here we will close the class, end of class. Now inside class, if you use a scope resolution operator, after applying the semicolon to a class means that will be an end of class. How to use these functions above main we can use with the help of a scope resolution operator. Specify the class name, then use a operator, then a function name. In this program we have to display the largest value among two variables. So if m greater than equal to n, return the value of m, else return n. Same way we will use the input function. So by the class name first, then the function name. Between scope resolution operator we have to use. The input values of m and n. Accept the value in these two variables m and n. The largest value we will display now. Just take a largest function after a extraction operator. Now through main we will just create an object. So first a class name, then an object name, suppose A. To call the functions from a class public section, just type a dot input. To display the information we have created a display function, a dot display. Fine. So here we ends the program. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Fine, no errors were found. You will directly get an output screen. Just enter any two variables for m and n. We will just apply get ch function here to see the output then and there, and a clear screen function. Fine. Once again run the program, Ctrl F9. See, the largest value among 2 are 20. So we are using the functions which were declared inside public above main, means inside a class. Also we can just call the public function. This is nothing but a nesting of member functions.